We're going to make something fun and easy to make. I'm going to use creamed corn, whole kernel corn. We'll need to drain that. I have some vanilla, my homemade vanilla here, some pepper, Jiffy corn muffin mix, sour cream, a little bit of sugar, and some butter. Let's get started. All you have to do is mix all your ingredients together. That was the sugar. Here is the cream style corn. I'm going to add the whole kernel corn that was drained. A tablespoon of vanilla. I'm going to add some pepper. Just however much you like. I'm going to add sour cream, 1 cup. Now while you're doing this, be sure you have your oven turned on, heating up to 350. That in there. Get the normal size 8.5 ounce box of Jiffy in there. Your stick of butter that you melted. Mix this all up. Then put into your baking dish. My dish is 8 inches by 11 inches, a 2-quart, and into my 350 degree oven. Here it is out of the oven. It baked for 1 hour. Just going to let it cool down just a bit. We can serve some up. Looks nice and moist. I'm going to have some collards and some navy beans with this. Now let's give this a quick taste. And you know, you could add quite a few things to this and change it. What would you add? I mean, you could add like cheese and jalapeños and oh, I don't know. Very nice. Simple and easy. It tastes great with the vanilla in there. It's a nice change for cornbread. You can add some bacon in there, you know, crispy bacon. Thank you so much for watching.